Hello, my name is Dr. Catherine Thomason. I'm the Executive Director of Physicians for Social Responsibility, PSR. We're the largest physician-led advocacy group working to protect human life from the gravest threats to human health and survival. These major threats include nuclear weapons, climate change, nuclear power, and chemical pollutants. PSR began as a group of young physicians who in 1962 published articles on the inability of the medical community to respond to a nuclear war. Using our medical and public health voice, we've continued over the past 50 years to achieve a reduction in nuclear weapons threats with the passage of the Limited Test Ban Treaty, the creation of the International Physicians for Prevention of Nuclear War, which won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1985, and most recently the New START Agreement, reducing nuclear weapons arsenals of Russia and the United States by almost 30%. In the 90s, our organization recognized the threats from toxic pollutants on human life and the threats of climate change. We led in the creation of the Persistent Organic Pollutants Treaty, passed and signed in 2001. We are waging a campaign to achieve closure of dirty, polluting coal plants, both to reduce air pollution and to reduce the single largest cause of carbon pollution that causes climate change. We also join hands with other organizations to uphold the Clean Air Act and the role of the Environmental Protection Agency to protect our health and survival by regulating carbon pollution. Our health voice is heard in city councils and state legislatures through our 31 chapters and at the federal level at the EPA, the Justice Department, Capitol Hill, and the President's Office. We advocate within organized medicine through the American Medical Association that passed a resolution speaking out for solutions to climate change, the American Public Health Association, as well as the American Academy of Pediatrics to educate on toxic exposure of children. Your donation will allow our medical voice to build and will extend our chapter's activation of more health professionals to improve your health and the health of the public around the world in fighting climate change, nuclear power, toxic chemicals, and nuclear weapons. In this economic climate, we've learned to become leaner and meaner. 82% of your donation goes directly to our programs. For 50 years, PSR has made an impact against the gravest threats to humanity. Join us today to help us continue making that impact.